In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful, Mr. President, Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my all dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. It's my honor that I have got this great opportunity to deliver this speech on this great personality in the world. Yes, Holy Prophet of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear friends, a prophet is a messenger sent by Allah to impart divine guidance. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Allah. According to Islamic calendar, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born 12th of Rabiul Awwal. लोह भी तू कलम भी तू तेरा वजूद अल किताब, लोह भी तू कलम भी तू तेरा वजूद अल किताब, गुंबद आब गिना रंग तेरे मुहीत में हिजाब, तेरी निगाहे नाद से दोनों मुराद पा गए, तेरी निगाहे नाद से दोनों मुराद पा गए, अक्लो गयाब जुस्तजू इश्क हुजूर इस्तिराब. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam began his mission at 40 when the Jibreel angel appeared to him. This angel requested him to recite Iqra bismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq, khalaqal insana min alaq. In this way, he revealed the Quran over 23 years in 610 AD. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam experienced revelation from Allah. He became a successful missionary, developed a strategy based on trust, honesty, and fairness. Mr. President, by the time of his death, the religion was well established across large regions. This mission of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was to spread the message that there was only one God, Allah, in all existence. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam life was model for every Muslim who believes in Allah and the Day of Judgment. He was a role model, a saint, a warrior, a scholar, and the messenger sent by Allah. खालिक ने अपने नूर का जलवा दिखा दिया, खालिक ने अपने नूर का जलवा दिखा दिया, सब नूर को मिलाकर मोहम्मद बना दिया. Every person must follow the teaching of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam because the learning message that he was give not there but मैं दोबारा पढ़ लेता हूँ ये वाला. Every person must follow the teaching of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam because the learning message that he gave not one belong nation but the entire humankind. वो नबियों में रहमत लकब पाने वाला, वो नबियों में रहमत लकब पाने वाला, मुरादे गरीबों की बरलाने वाला, फकीरों का मलजा ज़ईफों का मावा, फकीरों का मलजा ज़ईफों का मावा, यतीमों का वाली गुलामों का मौला, वो नबियों में रहमत का पाने वाला, मुरादे गरीबों की बरलाने वाला, मुरादे गरीबों की बरलाने वाला. थैंक्स.